Updating your legal name on JFrog is an important process that ensures your account reflects your current identity. Follow these steps to complete the update quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your JFrog account. Access the JFrog platform by entering your credentials on the login page. Ensure you have administrative access to make changes to your account details. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use JFrog to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled personal information or similar. This section contains your current legal name and other personal details. Step 4. Update your legal name. In the personal information section, locate the field for your legal name. Enter your new legal name as required, ensuring that all spelling and formatting are correct. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After updating your name, look for a Save or Update button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to verify that your name has been successfully updated. Make sure to check your account after a few hours to confirm that the changes have taken effect. If you encounter any issues, reach out to JFrog support for assistance.